All right, I'm gonna get going on this Cummins engine, and let me get some light on the subject here. Got an issue. Got some broken bolts. There's one there. There's one here. And there's one over there, right here. And the old piece of the gasket that was on there, I would have thought that that'd come off when they hot tanked it, but it didn't. Unless that's a piece of the cast. That's always possible. It's always possible, but I don't think so. So we'll check it out. All right, got them center punched, and you can see where it broke. It did a lot of damage there, but it's going to be fine for what I want to use it for. And so they're center punched. I'll drill them out with a reverse drill bit. That might bring them out. All right. I'm gonna try and drill these out. Left-handed drill bits. Gotta get something to cool it with to keep the temper in the bed. Not much lubrication in WD-40, but it will keep the bit cool. There's what I wanted to happen, guys. Pulled the thing right out. All right, so we got a couple others. Where the hell is it there? I got a few more somewhere. Right here's one. The vibration and the heat from the bit, although you want to keep the bit as cool as you can, and the reverse thing, it'll catch, pop it right out. So let's step it up, because that one didn't catch and do it. There it goes. There's another one. I think there's one more here. Maybe that's the only one. Maybe it's just those two. Oh no, right here. Here it is. Here it is. Let's go back to the smaller bit. Yeah, I need the one in between. what I got here is a busted bolt. I got a stud extractor. I'm going to try this quickly. See if this will take it out. If not, I'm going to have to heat it with a torch. Yeah, we do not want to break that off in there. The others come out easy with the reverse drill bits. This one, not so much. And it's because of the way it broke. All right. Maybe I can pick it out of there. Naturally, when you need it. So. All right. I had to heat that piece that's left. And using a little bitty punch, I'm able to get it out of there. There it is right there. It's almost out. But I just can't quite get it out. And the easy out ain't worth a damn. Alright, I cleaned this up. This is what seals the back of the camshaft on the small cam. The big cams have a, almost looks like a frost plug you put in upside down or inside out or whatever. This gasket, actually for this motor, doesn't call for the gasket with this notch in it. That notch is for the bolt when it comes close to the bolt hole. This one doesn't. However, that's the only gasket available, and the part number for this motor without the notch comes back to this. So that's what they give you. So anyway, it's in there. I was instructed, put it in dry, do not seal it. So that's what I'm doing. There's a bolt on either side that's gonna tighten it down. So that's where we're at. I've got the holes cleaned out, the bolt holes cleaned out. So I'm ready to put this on. All right, this has a couple of dowel pins that we're going to be putting in there that are already there. I just got to get them in place. Yeah, you got to verify that the thing is that gasket's still in place, and it is. So I'm gonna put a little never sneeze on these bolts, I guess. Although I don't want them to back out. I was actually told to put a little oil on them. No way, no how. Okay, I gotta back this up a little bit. I gotta back those bolts out. I gotta leave a couple of them in just snug. And I gotta put a dial indicator on the crank, and I gotta check the bore to make sure it's lined up and then adjust it up or down, left or right at 12, 6, 3, and 9 o'clock. See if it's within specs. So I've got to do that yet before I torque them down and set it up.